Today is Sunday, the 18th of December, 2022, and we are going to the vintage class car meet. It's any cars 1989 or older, which my Mazda is 1988, and my dad's 2.3 Cosworth is 1987. So we both fit the criteria, and let's see how it goes. Now, as you may have noticed, the car has changed significantly since you guys last saw it, and that entails a GP Sports front bumper, GP Sports rear bumper, GP Sports side skirts, a new hood, and new headlight covers, since my headlight covers were dented, the red ones, which I still have. I didn't get rid of them, I just got new ones. And the new hood, this hole in it, a little vent thing, and I didn't like it, and water got in there, and the airbox is like right here, and a bunch of like testing things. I got 16-inch Ford Crown Victoria, well, these are Mercury Grand Marquis wheels. The rear 195/50/16, where was it, 195/45, 195/45, 45, yeah, 195/45/16. And that's all that's been done to the car. It hasn't changed since then. I need to get some S5 front turn signals because the S4 ones don't work, so I just have them like zip tied that right there, that way I don't get a ticket or anything. And I need to sand the bumper because I had to fix it with some fiberglass. So did I have to fix the rear one as well. So yeah, she's gonna look good soon, guys.
A few moments later.
Mazda RX-7. What year?
Yeah, we ain't going nowhere with that. So December 18th again, same day. RX-7 is under the cover. I changed the wheels back to the factory ones, and yeah, didn't go to the car show, but we'll go to the next one, and we'll have better wheels than that.
The next day.
Good morning, everyone. It is next day, aka the 19th of December 2022. And we couldn't really go to the car show because of this. And well, here's the aftermath. The Mazda's fine, nothing happened to it. She hit the bumper with her wheel or tire and it disconnected it, but I have it connected with zip ties, so the zip tie just broke off and it was just hanging off, so I zip tied it back. It's back in the cover right there. And then this is the set of Crown Victoria wheels. Yeah, you know, so insurance gonna get that settled, and we're actually gonna get a new car today. You know, funny, we got in a little accident on that one, and we're gonna get a new car since we didn't get to go to the car show. So stay tuned for that, I guess. And just getting some wood just in case, you never know. We're going to pick up a Lexus, not saying which one, in my Lexus. Made a quick pit stop at the Dunkin'. I hope they have some tea. Let's go. Ice cream too. Yummy. Coffee. Green tea. Let's go. Okay. Here we are, boys. Alright guys, we got the car. It's looking amazing, and here we go. No, that's my car. Oh yeah. Sports, GP Sports, GP Sports.